For this project of the week, our team completed a full exterior transformation on this beautiful Lake Erie condominium property, featuring new siding, trim, gutters, and exterior finishing upgrades across multiple buildings. The project included 2 main 3-story condo buildings, a standalone house, and 3 detached garages, all updated with CertainTeed Monogram vinyl siding in Pacific Blue. The owners wanted a more permanent solution after years of maintaining and repainting the original wood lap siding. Living directly on Lake Erie meant the buildings were constantly exposed to moisture, harsh weather, and heavy winds coming off the lake. One of the biggest challenges on this project was the combination of building height and high wind conditions. Because of that, the owners specifically requested that we fasten directly into the wall studs instead of relying on standard fastening methods into the existing siding alone. CertainTeed Monogram siding was chosen because of its durability and snap-lock design, which performs exceptionally well in high-wind environments like this one. We also installed Azek trim boards around key openings and entrances, wrapped fascia boards in smooth white aluminum coil wrap, and finished additional openings with textured PVC trim wrap to create a clean, low-maintenance exterior. The project also included new gutter systems with upgraded downspouts, along with SureFlow gutter guards on many sections of the property. The final result completely modernized the look of the property while giving the owners a durable exterior solution built to withstand the Lake Erie climate for years to come. If your home, condo property, or lakefront building is ready for an exterior upgrade, contact Gridiron Guys Construction today for a free estimate.